What does the horsey say? Yeah. Okay, let me watch you ride. Go ride in the living room. Mr. Horseman. Noah is a cowboy and horse for Halloween. How clever. Hold on to your reins. Hold on to the reins. Yeah. What does the cowboy say?
No.
What does Woody say?
Ha ha ha.
Woody says, howdy, howdy, howdy. Are you going to be Woody?
Ha ha.
Today's the last week of October. I think that means you get to dress up. What does Woody the cowboy say?
What?
What does Woody say? Howdy, howdy, howdy. What does the horsey say?
Nay.
That's right. Can I watch you ride your horse?
Yeah.
Show me how you ride your horse.